Managing a contact center ecosystem is a complex matter. There are many factors to juggle and connect to get top efficiency. You can rely on Collab's managed services to achieve operational excellence and get the most of one contact. We carry out regular checkups, resolve potential problems before they occur, monitor the whole system, pinpoint challenges, mitigate risk and disruption, and ensure continuity at all levels. At Collab, maintenance and support options include managed services, customer success manager, technical solution architect, handover to support, and hypercare offerings. To learn more about our managed services, do not hesitate to get in touch. We can help you achieve operational excellence.